Hello everyone. Welcome to this English learning video. Today, we're going to learn how to speak English through the topic, my family. In this lesson, you'll learn many useful words, common phrases, and simple sentence structures that you can use to talk about your own family. We'll practice how to describe family members, their jobs, their hobbies, and what you like to do together. Speaking about family is one of the best ways to improve your English. It's a familiar topic, and it helps you build confidence when you talk about yourself and the people you love. So, get ready to listen, repeat, and practice with me. By the end of this video, you'll be able to talk about your family clearly and naturally in English. Let's begin. My family. My family is very important to me. We are not a big family, but we are very close and love each other a lot. There are 4 people in my family: my father, my mother, my younger sister, and me. We live together in a small but comfortable house in the city. Our home is full of love, laughter, and care. Every day, we try to make each other happy and support one another in everything we do. My father is the head of the family. He is 40 years old and works as a teacher at a local high school. He teaches math and is very good at his job. Many of his students like him because he is patient and friendly. At home, my father is the one who helps me with my homework, especially when I have difficult math problems. He also enjoys gardening in his free time. Every weekend, he waters the plants and takes care of the flowers in our small garden. I really admire my father because he works hard but still spends time with us. My mother is the heart of our family. She is 38 years old and works as a nurse at a hospital. Her job is not easy because she has to work long hours. But she never complains. She always finds time to cook delicious meals and take care of everyone at home. My mother is a very kind and gentle person. She always listens when I have a problem and gives me good advice. I think she is the most caring person I have ever known. When we are sick, she stays by our side all night. When we feel sad, she makes us smile again. My younger sister is 12 years old. She is in grade 7. She is very cute, cheerful, and sometimes a little bit naughty. She likes reading comic books, watching cartoons, and playing games on her tablet. Sometimes, we argue about small things, but we always make up quickly. I love my sister very much because she makes our home full of fun and energy. We often study and play together. I also help her with her English lessons, and she teaches me how to play new games. Our family likes to spend time together, especially on weekends. On Saturdays, we usually clean the house and cook a big lunch. On Sundays, we often go out to the park, the shopping mall, or our grandparents' house. During holidays, we sometimes travel to the countryside or the beach. Those moments are my favorite because I can relax and be with my family all day. We take many photos and share happy memories together. I feel very lucky to have such a loving family. My parents always teach me to be kind, honest, and responsible. They show me how important it is to care for others and to never give up. My sister and I learn a lot from them every day. For me, family is not just about living together, it is about love, trust, and support. No matter what happens in life, I know my family will always be there for me. I love my family more than anything in the world.